Hello class, this is a quick video regarding the Smarthinking online tutoring option available from your home page here in Canvas. So if you go to your home page and you click on the Smarthinking online tutoring link over on the left hand side, it's a single sign-on, so when you click on it, it'll come right into the system. You don't have to put in any username or password. It'll go right to the Smarthinking website. Now mine will go right to my faculty login, but as soon as it comes up, I will click on the student login so you can see exactly what you'll be seeing when you click on the link. So here's my version. Let me log in as student. And this is what you should see. So when you come into this, you'll click on the tutoring sessions. And now we have a couple options. You have the drop-in tutoring, which is available all the time. And you can select, like for our case, math and algebra. And it will bring up a screen like this. Now, one thing with Smarthinking is that you get, as part of your South College course, you get 600 free minutes. All right, so that's 10 hours of tutoring available through this website. So it doesn't, the minutes don't start until you submit the question. So you can go over here and you can type in your question, you can copy and paste from other documents, you can share a document, you can share your screen, but then once you click submit question, it will send it off to a live tutor and they'll come back into the chat and start being able to see your screen. So that's one way, is a drop in, that's like an instant help, that kind of thing. The other option, right, for tutoring is to schedule a future session. A lot of people like this, right, because they can schedule it based on their time. So I'm going to pick on math and we'll say algebra. And then you can choose what time is available, right? So select a day. Let's say I want a tutoring session this Saturday, the 9th. And it'll pull up the schedule so you can see all the different times. It's a 24/7 option here. And you can do it in half-hour increments, or you can schedule 2 back-to-back for a full hour. I don't recommend anything longer than an hour, but half hour usually is good to go. So you've got 600 minutes to do this, and you can book your schedule through that. You can also submit an offline question. You submit the question, and then the tutors look at it and send it back to you. And then if you have people to get together, we don't really do it here, but you can also do group sessions. But I highly recommend the schedule a future session option. And you get free minutes, 600 free minutes. That's 10 hours of tutoring. So hopefully you'll give this a chance. And again, right, you access this from the home page through the Smarthinking online tutoring link, and it's free for 600 minutes. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, give me a yell.